That's my little hymn to the estate sale guys to bless me today. What's up, what's glorious, y'all? Today we're rating estate sales once again. It's a beautiful sunny day. Man, they have some amazing foliage in their front yard. Y'all can't see it because it's in the shadows, but let's hop in and see if there's anything good. My wallet's in the car. What's up, fella? What's going on, bro? What's happening, man?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Let's get a pic. All right. So we're in the children's bedroom, I guess is what you would call this. Dude, they have the whip in the building. Honestly, this color scheme on a car goes crazy. Yeah, the Barbie little convertible. They also have this horse. I don't know if it's quite my size, but they have the Barbie van too. Holy whack-a-mole, dude. This thing would be sick. Like, putting this color scheme on my van might be a play. But seriously, aside from lifesaver looking games, the closet is loaded with some unique pieces, to say the least. Check this out, man. Is this homemade? Look at this garment. Oh my God, the construction is absurd, intricate, and brazy, if you will. And then look at this little Christmas exclusive. Dude, cross-woven ribboning? Wow, attention to detail is just out the wazoo. Oh my Lord. Okay, so we're in the little living room, and you got the P51 Mustang book. So know your history, guys. The Bape design literally comes off of these Mustangs and the P40 Warhawks. As y'all can see, they have the shark mouth right there that they would paint on the planes. So that is where that imagery comes from, but these are just sick. Both my grandfathers served in World War II, so obviously I might have to grab one of these books. I used to just read these and then draw pictures of planes in elementary school. That's kind of how I got into art, but yeah, all these books are really clutch. And if I was at the local library, just know I would have checked all these things. This is like a whole command center just in here. It's crazy. Yeah, so this guy has a ton of radio equipment. There's some cool little clothing finds though. I'm not quite sure if I'm gonna get anything just because I think some of the prices are kind of high. But we got the Bomber Field vintage trucker. That's cool. Got the NASA little fitness run, 1990. Then you have the members only, the classics. Shout out my boy YKP. You already know what time it is.
Fuck with me.
This vintage windbreaker, which is pretty sweet. And then we have another light blue members only. Nice. Amazing. And then this Patton Museum. I just like it because it got the tanks and the Apaches on it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to see what the prices are. I saw a NASA trucker hat that I liked and they wanted $20 for a hat. So we'll see. Trippy. Oh, hello, Susan. Look at this. You got the World of Barbie doll case. Hey, she kind of cute though. Long blonde strands of hair. No, hand woven. What's up? Hey man, they got that security system on lock. Oh, they got some plants outside. Might have to go check that out. Got a cool little vintage suitcase right here. Whoa. Tripping. Dude, plant section is booming right now, dude. Got this nice little floral fire. This plant looks quite interesting. It's going absolutely insane. Got a nice little fern. Have what appears to be a peace lily. But that plant in the corner with the flowers. Hold up. Might have to grab some of these little bad boys. They're beautiful. Oh, yes, Lord. All right, guys, we're out of there. Got a handful of clothes, got a plant. So, I mean, the lady wanted $12 for 3 plants, which isn't bad, but some of the plants aren't super rare, so that's about on par. Hopefully it's not too windy, and I'm sorry if it is. I don't have a directional mic because I turn my camera in every direction, so that really doesn't help me in my situation, but I'm sorry if you guys are dealing with that. But yeah, I'll show you guys the clothes I picked up, and I will be back the next couple of days to see if I can get some deals on the other stuff. And already, guys, they still have a snowman in their yard on some Gucci Mane shit, on some Young Jeezy type of stuff. Anyways, oh, I want to put on that hat, man. I feel like that hat look cool. I'm gonna put it on, bro. I need something on scalp. It's cold out here. Guys, all right, we're in here. Some people may ask, does the carpet match the drapes? obviously, look how flamboyant these textiles are. Nice. You also got my guy, the little Tootsie Roll owl.
How many licks does it take to get to the Tootsie Roll center of a Tootsie Pop?
Let's find out. 1, 2, 3.
This thing is $20? Hold up.
Personal foul, tripping by the offense number 15.
They got old coconuts. Maybe I could grow a tree.
All 3 of y'all.
Got some vintage luggage that blends in with the tile. All right, guys, check this out. We have a full fit, high key. You have the crazy like vintage ski windbreaker in the size 6.5 rustic ASIC gel lights. Bro, these things are ancient. Oh my God. I feel like an archaeologist just dipping my hand into this box. Oh, the discoveries I make. Man, that's, these are wild, bro. I feel like if you put them on feet, they just instantly crumble. It'd be like the San Andreas fault line on the bottom of your foot. That's insane. But this jacket, though, is beautiful. Guys, look at these gloves, though. Hey, look at the fit, boy. I'm looking cute. But yeah, you got the OJ Simpsons, or I guess the Marge Simpsons. These are like for the women's. They cool, though, man. You could pimp slap somebody in style in these. Ooh. SpongeBob soap? I'm having flashbacks to the people with the camel collections. Camel train? Wooden camels. Camel storage. Another camel. More camels? And more camels. Camel statues too. Other wooden camel. Camel teapots too. Gold camels? Camel riders. High key, they got a couple bowls on this baddie. If there were a couple holes, you know, you could light up. Smoke a little bit of reefer out the camel. Be looking like the owl. All right, guys, we outie. I grabbed another pot right here. This big old round son of a gun thing looking tribal. One other ting that I grabbed was this United Colors of Bennington shirt right here. For all you guys who don't know about that, then learn about it. I don't know, just a vintage brand, pretty hilarious. Looks like there's some kanji or something, some Japanese design on the front. I don't know, it's just cool, single stitch. Why not? But yeah, solid little kind of plant clothes haul right now. I'm fucking with it. Let's get to the next. Oh Lord, man, lines are deep. Another day, another estate sale. Y'all know what time it is. They just opened the doors. I pulled up right on cue. Yeah, I'm about to run in here and see what they got. Evidently this dude was like an architect, so I expect some art.
This is what you interpret it to be.
All right, guys, in there like swimwear. Dude, we're in the house. I had to find the bedroom because it is the least crowded room to start this video in. But dude, this house is crazy. It was an architect's home, and the smell of it, dude. Like literally you can smell eras. Like this smells like it's from the 60s, like straight up. They have this sick pillow in here. A weird little piece to highlight first and foremost, but they got that jaguar boy looking like he's about to eat a caiman. But yeah, they have this cool little piggy bank, dude. I don't know if I'm gonna get him or not, but I mean, I need some coin storage facilities, and this dog definitely serves that purpose. So I might go ahead and get this dude with the sun hat. But yeah, this is just crazy. Everything in here is so ancient, dude. This table is ill, bro. It's like a marble countertop table on a sewing machine base, and it's like 50 bucks. Not bad, but all the furniture in here is lit, but there's so much more to dive into. Yo, this is a really sick pillow on some trippy shit. Like someone definitely inhaled someone inhaled some reefer. It was going off the shroom, something, bro. That's crazy. Yeah, you can find just about anything and everything in here. Oh, and then they got my spirit creatures, the turtles in abundance. What y'all know about it? Dude, this lime green carpet though in the closet, whole vibe. Guys, straight out the drawer. This woman found this amazing 1986 Houston Astros tee. Super cool.
Yeah, and I'm gonna, just wash it and wear it.
Yeah, very soft on that super vintage Screen Stars tag. That's awesome. What a find, dude.
Yeah.
That's crazy. All right, guys, we got a fat little pile of tea. Shout out to homie Joseph, by the way, in the building. But you got the Aldine State Bound 1988 tee. This is super cool. Boy looking like a straight athlete. Mustangs on the screen stars. This is really cool. The Project Prom. You got the party animal duck. However, it says seniors making a choice against drinking and drugs. So how much of a party animal is this guy truly? You got the beach or bust tee. Just a cool little graphic on that dude. I don't know what they're sipping on. Probably you know, nothing crazy. No alcoholic beverages, obviously. You have the Aldine High School 1987 by district champs. Now this Mustang is giving this man the boot through some Stroke My Cactus. Oh, it's lit. Field goal posts. Eisenhower World Tour. Class of 92, seniors against drinking and drugs again. Man, dude, full-fledged. It appears the Globe is graduating as well. That's cool. And then this shirt's probably the best, dude. You have the quadratic formula on this 1981 NASCO tee. That's super dope. On the jerseys tag, all single stitch, made in USA. Then of course the state flower. You got the Texas Bluebonnet tee. Again, man, old school single stitch. Just cool little t-shirts. We'll see if I get them, but they're fire, bro. So yeah, had to share the shirts. They're amazing. All right, guys, so these are super cool. I actually got my hands on some albums. I got this Earth, Wind, and Fire album. And dude, the art in here is straight up pure fire. Like, bro, look at this.
Just let me just have it back.
That is insane. You also got the Michael Jackson Gotta Be There album. This is missing the album itself, but I might just hang this on the wall. You have the Wiz. I remember watching this in school. You got the Jacksons in it, obviously. Then the Commodores. Now the Commodores are one of my favorite bands. However, this is missing the album, so I don't know if I'm gonna get it. I actually grabbed it to listen to, but yeah, dude, just the art on it, man, is so sick. Dude, this room is so crazy. So the guy was an architect, and I really wanted to grab this, but they just told me it was $45. Tripping. So each, I guess, color drawing is $45, which is a little bit stiff. But dang, dude, these like drawing tables, all the ancient rulers, the chairs. This really is a time capsule. It's super cool. And I told y'all, man, oh, they got the cannon. But check this out too. Every house got that skrata. I'm telling you guys, man. They have the gun, I guess, vase. This would be cool to put some flowers growing out of, but it's like $10. They're trifling on that one. This room is pretty cool, right? Look at the random creepy clown
I like
tile.
that clown. He must like clowns, but I think that's great.
No, I was scared of clowns, dude. I think that's a natural reaction to clowns.
Right?
They are creepy.
Well,
I
am scared of real clowns. You know what I mean? I just like get away from me.
I just
No,
can't imagine
to
like
me-
what would go through a person's head to be like, I'm gonna stick this in the
yeah, like,
That's like clowns.
imagine going to the restroom in the middle of the night. You see
That's what
that?
that's
Trying to
exactly
get
what
a
I was
drink of
thinking,
water,
yeah.
like,
Waking
hell
up in the
no.
middle of the night walking through.
Yeah, that is too much. Trippy. They're wrong for that one. And then these dudes on the wall too. Come on, man. All right, got my paws on a couple more knickknacks. You got the gym teacher, boy lifting that 25-pound dumbbell. This dude is hilarious. He looks like a pirate. This dude is a straight caricature. He has a Band-Aid on his boxing gloves because Jack Davis loves to draw them. Nice. This is cool. I might get this. And then for the bedroom, you guys know what time it is. The neighbors know my name. No, I'm just kidding. But I might have to get this Floral Fuego because the green matches my bedspread, and I got a bunch of plants in there. So these might be some backdrop, like tertiary pillows in the house. Oh, look at these. Got the Peanuts posters as well. Let's go. Dude, 1950 is the copyright on that. Oh my God. All right, guys, we're out of there with a fat pile of clothes. Yeah. Anyways, guys, we're out of that estate sale. I have to tell y'all, man, they were trifling on the records. The lady had some bogus policy about if you put a record on hold, you have to buy it. Even if like it's in bad condition or whatever. Like basically there were 2 records in one like album, and she was like, oh, it's $2 per record. So if you have a double album, it's $4 instead of actually $2 for the one album. I was like, what? So she told me that and I was like, okay, well, no, I'll put it back. She's like, no, you put it on the table, you have to buy it. I'm like, this is how we're doing business? This is trifling. But regardless, I got this giant Samsonite suitcase as well. A couple things outdoors that I have to get. And of course, Paw Plan 2 did strike. I got a plant, but this is actually super heavy. So I don't know if it's full of stuff, but I want to see what's inside here because it is suspiciously heavy. I feel like I just got finessed. Bro, there's just straight garbage in this suitcase, bro. Like just straight trash clothes. Anyways, guys, we're back at my crib right now, and I told y'all I got some plants at that estate sale. So Paw Plan 2 strikes again with this bedraggled looking cacti. Stroke my cactus. Now this thing was on the verge of death. I decided to grab it and try and bring it back to life. It is just going all out of the pot. I don't know, it's like $5, so I said why not try and save a cacti for that much shmoney. And then I pulled off the ultimate stroke my cactus. It's lit heist at that last estate sale. Bro, I broke off some cactus pads and straight up am propagating these bad boys at the crib for absolutely free 99. Hopefully they ain't tripping, but that cactus in their yard was out of control, so I decided to help myself and I got low-key stabbed along the way. But if you guys enjoyed this video today, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. The best way to support me and to look fresh your damn self is to check out my vintage website. It is linked in the video description. It's called thriftheavenvintage.com. That's where I sell all the clothes I pick up. And yeah, until next time, man, live the dream, eat that ice cream. I appreciate all y'all for watching these videos. For real, I like sharing the adventura with you guys. Anyways, I'll see y'all. I'm locked and loaded, and I'm out.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost through. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.